Check this out. Well, this has to be the prettiest mining rig I've ever seen in my life. Can you imagine somebody putting together a 10X NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 custom water-cooled mining rig? Water-cooled. That's like an extra sting to gamers. Not only did you take these 10 cards off the market that I could have been using, but you also, to rub it in, you water-cooled them beautifully. Well, I'll be honest. I'm not one of these people that gets too fired up about it. I just got to tell you the truth on that. I actually think it's kind of a cool build. Now, granted, it's not playing any games, which I suppose is a little unfortunate. But just from a hardware standpoint, to see the, what would you say, the execution of such a thing. Look at all the, I mean, it's kind of clean, no, Will?
Oh, yeah, for sure. What's the hash rate?
Well, the hash rate, I mean, 10x.
Did they say?
It
What
would
kind
be
of improvement.
It would be at least a gigahash is what it would be.
Yeah.
1,000 mega hash plus, depending on the overclock. But actually, they don't talk about overclock over here.
It must be really cool.
Yeah, you could overclock it for sure. The system has 3 1,600 watt PSUs to power it all. But yeah, I mean, that's a dream. Everything stays cool. It's probably quiet.
Look at that. It's a little meter.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Water cooling meter. They can keep tabs on everything. And it's actually kind of a simple setup. If you look at the shapes of the tubes, like as far as the bends and stuff.
Just right angles.
It's a pretty simple setup. But anyway, I have just a level of hardware appreciation for it outside the realm of the controversy around mining versus gaming and everything. I just appreciate it for what it is.
RGB, though. Not very efficient.
That's right. Yeah. Wasted dollars on the RGB.
Yeah.